Good afternoon. I'm Gary Shaw, President and CEO of Nantucket Cottage Hospital. Nantucket Cottage Hospital continues to respond to the needs of the community related to COVID-19, and we are closely working with the Department of Health to monitor the current COVID-19 situation and adapt our response accordingly. The Cottage Hospital cannot navigate and overcome this pandemic unilaterally. We succeed through our partnerships with community leaders, business owners, government, and the support of our local community. For individuals, if you are an individual who is vaccinated and encounter a COVID-19 positive individual, you do not need to isolate or get tested unless you exhibit symptoms. If you are unvaccinated and encounter a COVID-19 positive individual, you should immediately isolate and monitor your symptoms for at least 5 days and receive a COVID-19 test on the 5th day. If you do encounter a COVID-19 positive individual and are unvaccinated, do not schedule a COVID-19 test until 5 days following exposure. The virus incubation period is such that it would likely not be detected until the 5th day after exposure. Wearing a mask in crowded areas or indoors will significantly decrease the risk of contracting COVID-19 and its variants for both vaccinated and unvaccinated individuals. For business owners, if your employees are vaccinated and encounter a COVID-19 positive individual, they do not need to isolate or be tested unless they exhibit symptoms. If your employees are unvaccinated and encounter a COVID-19 positive individual, they should immediately isolate and monitor their symptoms for at least 5 days and receive a COVID-19 test on the 5th day. Encouraging the wearing of masks while indoors significantly reduces the risk to both employees and customers. As we know, vaccinations, masking, social distancing, and hand washing works to reduce communicability in our community and across the state of Massachusetts in the United States. How can I get a PCR test? To schedule an appointment, members of the public exhibiting COVID-19 symptoms or who have been exposed to a COVID-19 positive individual should call 508-825-1000 and request COVID testing. That number again is 508-825-1000 and request a COVID-19 test. Testing is offered across the parking lot from the main campus of the Cottage Hospital in the Anderson building. Scheduled patients are asked to wait in their vehicles until they are called to enter in through the side of the building, following the signs from the parking lot. So please stay in your vehicles until you're called in. This pandemic can be controlled if we do the following things. That is, vaccinate, hand wash, wear a mask, socially distance. We can get through this together again. Thank you.